deal. We actually get to have senators come to marry Honeywell. It's like the first time since I've been to this school. It's going to be so much fun.
This assembly has been amazing for our students. They've been excited about it all week.
Anything you do, you put your mind to something, you can do it.
Sens in the school has been a huge motivator for all of my students. Parents have been sending emails saying how much it's encouraged their children to read.
They are all very focused on winning that pizza party with Sparty.
Every day our class read a bunch. We had goals and my class won the Sens pizza party.
I won with my grade 3s in the previous year, and those kids are in grade 6 now and they still talk about it to this day. It was a really memorable event.
It's definitely a program that I will continue to use from years to come. I'm so happy that my colleague introduced the program to us.
But I always have a place for all the Senators' place on my heart.